We're on top of internet for those who they watch us anywhere inside the world. www.wazobiatv.tv/live. Now the Ogbonge politics discussion show as it is hot. We carry all the action to the way they come on smoke inside Nigeria political boxing ring. Drop them down, discuss the matter, give you license to chook mouth inside and talk them the way the team be for body so that those who they lead us go do waiting, do the necessary thing to move this our country forward. My name now Ezugwu Chukwudi. Be like my voice is strong with this morning, so I go clear my throat. You are welcome to As It Is Hot.
Yes, a beautiful Tuesday morning to our wonderful viewers. So they watch us right now. And another edition of that's a Mubunga program. That's a political program where they inform the sunshine with different political matters that happen for Nigeria as it is hot. Today we'll go different because we will also bring back relatively a lot of issues. A particular issue we say we don't the sound over again. Now what we will talk about today, and it has to do with the issue of herdsmen, and we don't do it. We don't surface again. I'll go open our phone line so that when that time reach for that to talk at least and contribute. We now will do it now. We also contribute now on quarter. Our viewers they watch us for Star Times channel 195, Go TV channel 98, and free to air channel 57. And also if they watch us online, www.wazobiatv.tv/live. The program has the hot. But then what's the change? My name is Nkubi.
We don't go waste time, we go drop the topic on carry command. This one get to do with something when we say for the months when on the past we don't discuss them inside the Bodo Nigeria. But it be like say the way when we react to them now based on say some people don't consider them serious or some people think say no be waiting we supposed to tackle this time around. This one are the issue of rampaging herdsmen for different parts of inside Obodo Nigeria, especially for inside Benue State. And then talk say for the past 2 weeks, they get one kind of bad report when we say don't they happen for inside some villages for inside Benue State. And the gist when come out now be say if they do plus or minus about 81 people now be say these herdsmen them don't buy for inside the community when they people come they complain say this government it be like say they don't consider this thing issue at all, but the government don't react to this particular matter. The digital communication unit of the presidency come out contact say they won't try check make them know whether this particular thing or something when we say it really happen for inside Benue State or the number of people when people talk say buy they don't buy reach that number. They can also come and contact say some of the pictures when we say people they put outside say those pictures now for something when happen for inside Congo. Now people they use the card, they say when people stop to they spoil people belly. But plenty Nigerians come and say, like say this government, we not get president, a class captain we get because it be like say the way when they address issues, they're not ready for this government at all. Nkubi, go answer this question because I remember say the time we first dropped this issue, he been talk to the thing they inside pipeline without end. Nkubi, over to you.
Well, now not me talk that one because now the Minister of Information that is.
But you can't come and talk with him talk now. Ogalai Mohammed, you come and talk with Ogalai Mohammed talk now. You come and talk. No, because it be like say this government now we don't know the difference between human being and mosquito.
Why go talk now?
How can official statement they talk say they want ascertain. See the English one they even use. Now if we reach to the beg for vote, we are going to open mouth anyhow. When they reach to come do what we are going to do, we are going to speak English. Please. Ascertain. We want to ascertain the exact figures. Even if now one human being die, not human being.
I know nobody talks.
Don't tell me you know. You don't know anything. You come and say Ogalai Mohammed. Ogalai Mohammed.
But me talk now. Now talk. No Minister of Information talk. What do you know with this? In fact, for this reason, may I go consult the minister? May I know what will be the latest?
Why no go consult the minister?
Go for this
Stop, don't finish for your mouth.
Go consult the minister. The next step.
Excuse. We shall. People they die for them. Not do anything.
Consult now.
Welcome back to As It Is Hot on top of the senior brother for the television stations when inside the Bodo world. Wazobia Max UHF 57, Wazobia TV channel 98 on top of Go TV and channel 195 on top of Star Times. We then discuss the issue of whether herdsmen don't come back again inside the Bodo Nigeria or whether they even go anywhere at all. Before Nkubi rush, go that break to escape. We've been break them down, say it gets some kind of badness when they happen inside Benue State. The government don't come and contact say then they try. I go speak the English when they use because now English government ascertain the level of havoc when not happen for inside that particular place. place. But some people don't come and say for Logo and Ukom areas for inside Benue State. So over 81 people now don't buy for the past 2 weeks.
If you forget that is a representative or probably a spokesperson from this same particular region, that is the Tahav Agizwa region, we talk say look, say the amount of thing where they play out, they say they enormous. Then what we call the name with the war ascertain. Fine, we understand the fact say this thing, hold on, no, they looking that way. May I talk with that on top?
Which one be make I know they look you that way? Not only you there inside here.
Footage
not only you there inside here. I no go look. How you go tell me say hold on, make I know they look you that way? May I they look ground? May I they look up? What do you mean by that?
You can look for.
That's all I'm going to find. Look at you address issue of Fulani herdsmen. You they say make I know they look you.
Why just they pay attention to me as if I wait I talk no they line with.
Okay, continue to the talk.
I not like him.
The Minister of Information, Lain Mohammed, na him talk. People they die, they talk say una talk, una want to ascertain.
Anyway,
English teachers ascertain.
The issue of say people where they play around with footages. They fit just go bring up footages from somewhere, put them up. They escalate the whole matter. Fine. On the side of the government, there's already an issue, and just like the way they address the issue, it they very well say nothing has been addressed about this particular issue.
You know what they pay me?
Nothing has been addressed about this particular issue.
Because of say na free education and you enjoy for inside this country. How you go open your mouth, they talk say people when they play with footages. You see, there's something. You don't make me first now. I go enter my military. No. Let me enter my military mode. Let me enter my military mode.
People that want to just pick up pictures from somewhere. Pictures they know they lie with what did really happen. Put them up. Then ordinarily, I know your kind of mindset. Because that thing, this is not true. Now, footage of what happened.
Answer this question now. You see. Based on
I understand
background.
There is a reality on ground, and the reality is say yes. They don't come and talk.
If there's a reality on ground, then why you can't use the excuse? Say people they cook up something. Is it? Excuse me.
I'm not using an excuse.
Is it the first time when we say Fulani herdsmen they cause problem for inside this country? I can give you example.
And that was why I said.
What happened for Agatu?
Listen,
thousands of people don't already.
That was why I said. The government know they do anything about them.
Nkubi.
Because nothing, no proper address.
Over 6 months ago, you come this show talk say he's under pipeline. True or false? Meaning say una admit say something they happen and now they try to address her. Una don't do anything. They raise down like police when won't stop traffic. Collect something.
Well, the minister, I don't know whether probably the plan see the pipeline. Because it is obvious, because as long as for me, this is what I see. I was very, very real about this particular matter. Present and
you can't be real. You are not presenting anything. Tell your people. Send them WhatsApp. Send them, ping them. Send them text message. Tell them to react.
How am I close to
you go come television when they talk say, this is people when you campaign for 2015, they shall say, when we take over, bread will begin to fall from heaven. Rice will know they see. Tomato will know they see. Fuel they go up. Dollar they go up.
Why do you use this?
In fact, this government is a government of line, line, water line, power line, line.
You don't do. No address matter.
Which matter you address?
This line thing we don't bring in again. I know go this thing. Make address the matter.
Which matter? Which address?
Chukwudi, I am admitting the fact. Say this government so far. They never really pay attention. They never even do anything about this Fulani herdsmen matter.
Not even just Fulani herdsmen. They never do anything at all. We never see anything.
They don't do something, no.
Wait, tell us
I don't do something.
The name one I say when I go release on May 29.
Forget about names.
That's zero.
They fight corruption.
The corruption one they fight. Anybody don't go prison.
It's still the due process.
All the money we collect.
It's still the court. The issue of corrupt people there is still the court. I mean,
and the corrupt ones when they still inside the government. Everything is inside. Inside pipeline, inside government, inside court, inside high price, inside fuel price, inside tomato Ebola, inside everything, inside captain government.
For me, the issue on ground is what we should face.
What's the issue on ground?
The issue is
that Nigerians are dying.
This government are not just doing anything about the present reality. And the present reality they talk about, this Fulani herdsman case. I mean, we don't talk about this thing over time. Who now don't bring to book saying that this set of people they behind a particular killing. And now go investigate. The result of the investigation we never see. Until this country escalates beyond our own hand. And that time I'm going to say this matter don't pass beyond. It don't pass hard.
Nkubi, I dare say in the past 1 year, the people will not die for this country. If we continue like this, they go past people will not die since 1960. I'm telling you. You don't forget what the United Nations people come. Agatu alone, Agatu local government area alone in Benue State. They say over 1,000 homes now they destroyed. Maybe we do calculation. If at least 3 people, I bring them down, 3 people they live for the home. 1,000 times 3, how many that one be?
3,000.
How many people will go talk say they buy? And we get country where we say, if you like under this government now, no can sabi mathematics because calculation, I know they sabi. Now why 20 people they die for inside IDP camp every day? I will not even do the calculation, make everybody even fear. Everything is under pipeline. Everything is under pipeline. Everything is inside line. Everything is inside line. Line government, Minister for Information, line Mohammed, he talk this one, he talk that one. Lying up and down. Lying up and down. Address this issue.
You don't do
Benue people go call today, you go see what they will do you.
Make them call.
But this one you promised us before the election. Simple issue, I don't be addressed.
Hold on. See, Chukwudi, if they talk, say,
I'm pained, I'm angry, I'm not happy because I'm a Nigerian, I'm a comrade, I'm speaking for Nigerian people.
I that person this man.
Because if I say this government, I don't care about this issue. See, imagine.
That was why I said that I have not admitted to it, say, it is obvious, then they do anything about this particular issue. So what do you want me to do?
Make I read what
I've accepted the fact that nothing has been done so far.
Make I read what they talk. The digital communication, see the name when they will give them. Digital communication arms of the presidency, they come and come and say police they investigate. They don't say law. That's who they use English. Ascertain. Law enforcement agents are working to ascertain the accuracy of reports of fresh killings in Benue State. They can't even put police Twitter handle. The police NG, at police NG, will issue a statement. Presidency said in a tweet. This kind of thing, okay, when Oyibo police officer kill black people for Dallas, who now stand up, they shout, hey, hey, hey. Even our president even send message. Something when we say directly, you don't concern us. The one when they happen under he knows, he don't do anything. He they wait when police are certain. Is that not high service? No, is that not high service? Tell the matter the way when it be. Because when you come here, the ginger, say, hey, this thing, we change this country, everything. You know the way when you talk.
You don't do.
Yeah, what is due?
You don't
no, what is due?
No, I accept now.
Okay, Nkubi, you agree 7 Nigerians they die every day like chicken.
No, God forbid.
Then why are you saying you don't do? Let's continue to shout. Raise your voice.
But I was saying it here now. What do you want me to talk again? I don't admit the fact that yes, things they bad. There is a reality on ground. The reality of Fulani herdsmen where they kill. The reality of the way we mentioned about IDP camp, people they die like 20, to even over 20 where they see. These are realities where would they see. And the issue of say yes, for me this is what the problem is. As long as they never bring anybody before or say this person is behind a particular thing, they will know say somehow. Government, the president of their own part.
Government when of it protect the citizens, when of it secure life and property in a serious government.
He asked me.
A question for you.
Answer and
once and for all.
Ask the question.
No, answer and then Nigerians know say you get pure heart.
Make we look out for.
And not they look out for anywhere. It's a yes or no answer.
Make we look out for.
Yes because you come and contradict yourself. Say you don't agree. Say the government don't do anything. But you want the count waiting this government not do. You say the corruption when they fight. So fighting corruption. Excuse me. Let me land.
Hold on.
Let me. I will not hold on. Let me land.
I understand.
If I don't land, we'll scatter. Let me land.
Hold on.
Let me land.
Hold on.
I'm not holding on.
Hey, you will not land.
Let me land.
You will not land.
If I don't land, I will crash.
You will not land.
And if I crash, something will happen here this morning.
You will not land. And you will not crash either.
Government will be
you don't go land. I don't hear you. What do you want me to do again?
You don't hear what I talk. I
don't hear this one. You don't talk enough. What again you want to talk with different from what you want to talk
Wait, you want to silence the voice of the people.
Who?
No, wait now.
You and I.
Let Nigerians know. You and I
are the voice.
You want to silence the voice of the people. Remember, vox populi, vox dei. The voice of the people are the voice of God.
I'm not the voice of the people.
Which voice of the people?
I'm obviously the voice of the people.
Okay, Nkubi as a voice of the people. Government will not secure lives and property. Government will be say under his nose 1,000 homes and destroy for one local government. Till today we no hear anything. Government will be say under his nose. Then they try ascertain over 2 weeks. 81 people went by for 2 villages for inside Benue State. Even the governor of Benue State, Oga Samuel Otom, even though I don't know whether he be governor or you could just call him labor prefect. He come and they talk say police people. They know they say some of them when they call them they no go answer. When they call them, our president, Jebin a former soldier man. Even me when we say that command I go get military background, I know the kind of things when we say person supposed to do, don't they put things in check. He just be like say with the sleep. Nkubi, I put this question to you again and I ask you and I want you to tell Nigerians, government when we secure the lives and property of the people, now serious government.
Every government they get challenges.
Of people they die, you want they ascertain.
Chukwudi, make you
no, now wait now.
No just put me. No if you see succeed in putting me in a tight corner. Like, I'm not gonna accept that one.
Okay, Nkubi, make us ask this question.
The fact is this: I don't accept the fact that there's a present issue, that the present reality, that something they happen for Benue State and for us, also other parts of this way. Fulani herdsmen they do it. They attack people, they kill people. That I don't accept. So and I also admit to the fact that the present government do anything about the issue of Fulani herdsmen. So what do you want me to do?
Nkubi, if this government fit go do research, because now research government, everything they still dey search. If this government go do research, come out with gist say this picture when they go round, some of these videos when they go round no be true. It happen for Congo, it happen for this, it happen for that. Why they no fit send people go this community, go confirm, say okay, oh, this also thing when happen, come take speedy action to show say this kind of thing no happen again. You feel they search for wetin happen for Congo. You no fit even check wetin happen for inside Benue. Benue here. Benue when we say if I do like this, I don't reach Benue. Benue when we say if I do like this, I don't reach Benue.
Your leg, you don't do please.
You can't come here, come and tell me say, Nkubi, I put this question to you, and I want many Nigerians, every Nigerian will call, may they ask you this particular question. Because this is about life, this is about property, this is about Nigerians. Nkubi, government will not be secure lives and property. Now serious government.
At some point, the same you will be the individual also accept say this government. You don't see some couple of changes in this government. Positive changes from this government. So no con they try to put me for corner. I'm not going to accept that one. I'm not going to accept that. I just state my own point on my own words on top of this particular matter. And as I state them, now so it could be.
Okay.
If you try to put me for where you want to put me, it's not going to work.
God servant, they call us from Delta.
Good morning, God servant.
You see what the servant of God go do you.
He go do you.
God servant, good morning and welcome back to the house.
He was servant your head.
Now you give him credit.
Good morning, God servant.
Okay, God servant, continue. I'm not happy, but I need the first.
Would they fine?
I want to talk on a very much for this matter when I carry on this morning.
Thank you.
This matter, we think say government don't handle the matter before.
Oh, we think so.
Mr. the wonder, alarm land. You see why you?
And now the people they don't come back again. They keep people. So when you look at this Fulani herdsmen, we don't know whether there be another terrorist when they take place of Boko Haram. We don't know. Every year they terrorize. They rape women, they kill children, they kill people, they go farm. And everywhere they want to make people, they do farm. Government made a final solution to this matter. Not every day they're going to hear one complaint for the other. They're going to hear one problem of the other from the north, from the east, from the south. Waiting. Not be disunity they come to.
Yes, okay, something like that, yes.
Solution to it. Find solution to this matter. All these people where they carry Melu up and down, make them find solution to it. Find solution. If anything hard, now government they run, they go meet. They don't come in government now. Government not protect the people. Government not save the people. If they pursue you from your home, you pursue for outside, you can't call your house. Your house not be secure. Then you can't go again.
Very true.
Okay, God servant, thank you very much.
Question. You don't ask Nkubi, I didn't go answer that.
Now you and I ask the question. Now you and I ask.
Respect our caller.
You should respect our caller. Why wait me that? Oga Chuks, good morning. Respect yourself too.
Oga Chukwudi, good morning.
Oga Chuks, I greet you.
Oga Nkubi, good morning.
Good morning, Oga Chuks.
The fact remains, the present government are not really sure they then get the modality to see to the security of the citizenry. I'm not really sure because as they go on like this, with the economic hardship we may never see tackle. Herdsmen, this somewhere they kill, they destroy. I don't really know what will be the blueprint on how they want to secure our lives for this country. It's a very dicey situation, and it's very bad. We were thinking that this government came to rescue us. We don't know, say they can't pour more fuel to the situation of things with the on ground. Because if you ask me now, I never really know what did they don't achieve. And it's particularly bad. How long would we talk about this herdsmen? Is it because our number one president from that side, now I need to keep quiet? It is obvious. Because they have not one day spoken about these people. They There are dicey things in this country where this man supposed to sit down, begin the iron out. When they stop to the pursue ants.
When they begin to pursue elephants. Oga Chuk, thank you very much for that important proverb when you use NWT they talk. Oga Justin is calling us from Shomolu. He's 3-0 already. You will tell us this.
Who they call? People they express their own feeling about the president's reality.
Greet Oga Justin.
They give counts. Oga Justin, good morning, Jare, better person.
When you don't pursue him. When you don't pursue him.
See, Chukwudi.
When you don't pursue him. You want ascertain what thing go top.
Nobody go see what they happen right now. They happy about that.
Is this government doing that?
I expect Nigerians to call and also express their own bitterness about what they done.
But Nkubi.
Same way when Mr. Don't express my own verse on top of that.
Government when we say no fit take care of the people. Government when we protect lives and property. Government when we say the only thing when they use the thing say now our achievement now say that they fight corruption.
We got Maxi from Bayelsa.
Now serious government.
Hey, we got Maxi from Bayelsa.
Matthew, which one be Maxi? Why they spoil the name?
Good morning, Maxi or Matthew.
Why they spoil the name?
Good morning.
Oga Matthew, talk to this man. Fire him.
My brother Chukwudi. Good morning.
Good morning, Oga Matthew. I'm speaking for the people.
Okay, I'm listening.
Good morning, Oga Matthew.
Oga Nkubi, I can hear you.
Yes, right on. We hear you too.
You are trying to defend what you are not supposed to defend.
I am not defending anything, Oga Matthew. I'm admitting to the fact, say, problem there on ground.
Yes, there is problem.
Thank you.
But what I'm saying in essence is this. You see this government, I don't know whether we have two constitutions that is guiding this country.
Oh.
Some parts of people from the same country called Nigeria are having firearms and the other people are not having. How can you defend yourself if you face with somebody who is with firearms? And these people are not police or army.
Yes, strong question.
I want to really know whether this country give those people
license
for them to handle.
They don't even get the right to carry guns in the first place.
Now, see what is happening. Killing people, is it the way to feed their cattle?
Thank you.
Depriving them from the way they used to survive in their local village. Where do you want them to go?
Oh.
If this is a result that everybody should get firearms and defend themselves, and my brother, think how this country will look like. This government keep quiet in a situation that they are not supposed to keep quiet. This is where Boko Haram starts in the initial place. The United Nations said that Nigerians is training people, and our government keep quiet. They don't want to go into it and do a good investigation and know whether these people is complaining of is true or not. And the thing result to this big crime that they have destroyed people, deprived people from living in their ancestral home. Very,
very true. Oga Matthew, because of time, we go just allow you go. If you call back, but we'll take Oga Igo. You know they wait patiently on top of our telephone. Oga Igo from Abuja. Thank you very much for your patience. Welcome to AS E DEY HOT. You don't take small.
Oga Chukwudi, the man of the people, the man that speaks for Nigeria. I greet you. Good morning.
Oga Igo, I greet you. I'm at your service of the Nigerian people.
The controversial
for the sake of the people. I greet you to Oga Igo. Good morning.
I greet you. Good morning. See,
yes.
There is a psychological effect for you to deprive somebody come up for a house. With that one already, in fact, you don't defeat them already. For this Fulani estimate, in fact, now some of them they live inside primary schools, going to be set up their comfort, and nobody they talk about anything. My problem is say the people they feed, the people they close to Muhammad Buhari, they give them the right information or the reach them. Because there's a distance between the people and the government. If the people and the government, they close, they will know the pain of the people waiting, people they pass through for them now. Because already, for somebody to leave the house, go stay another place, no comfort. If rain, if cold come, 100%, heat come, 100%, mosquito fly, food no day. Then, to me now, I believe they start silent the media because the media are not coming out to talk the way they talked before now. Now you see them, they shy away from the media. They don't want to talk. Make President Muhammad Buhari top committee when he go closer to the people to know the problem of the people to solve it. Thank you very much.
Thank you very, very much, Oga Igo. You don't also state the way he be for grant, and they will also say at least.
Oga okay, they call us from Calabar, good man, preacher, evangelist. Now you don't know they don't stay time the way it be. Since you know what talk, when I carry this topic up, no fear no catch you.
Okay, good morning.
Fear no catch you.
You don't do you.
Oga okay, I greet you. I dey vex, but you be my person. In the greet you answer.
Good morning, Oga okay.
Chukwudi, the verse. Once you hear my voice, make that verse.
Thank you very much, Oga okay. Don't come down.
It's well.
Thank you.
Make I contribute more. I've don't asked this question before, and I go see ask them again. These Fulani henchmen, they no get state. Mr. Nkubi, I beg, now get the question.
No, it's a general question. Then
no,
you get where make you also get in mind. Say the former IG talk something about and some of these people say they come from another neighboring countries.
What thing that they do to check these people entering from neighboring?
The responsibility of the government.
He go just fly overnight like fly enter another man country.
Yes, strong question, yes.
You must pass through rigors. You must
exactly.
Yes, before you enter, you must go proper way. Nobody go just wake up in another man country. You know they disappear, they appear. So Nigeria no be like for my former state, they be named home for all, but now it's no longer home for all. It's life of the nation. So make Nigeria no be home for all, where we say everybody go from nowhere, vamoose enter. No. What they try to be say these Fulani henchmen, they keep people like say that a wave fly will just pass for your friend, it clap and they don't kill them. And so they keep people. Which me as they touch me. It's time for federal government to come out, do something about it, because the way they are doing it, like I said yesterday, it looks as if one-sided government get people who get the power special, get people when the other people on that side don't get the power. It's time for federal government to address this issue very well. Either banning them from entering other people's states or banning them totally. Anybody need cow, making travel go meet them. This thing is getting out of hand and it's unacceptable by me. All these things is not good. I pray that there must be a solution to that.
Thank you very, very much, Ogoke.
He pray, say amen to a prayer now.
Thank you very, very much. There will be a solution to that, and now we will also pray for now. When we join our hands together and ensure say this thing work out tonight, we will fit and see such a solution. Maybe we'll go for this quick break. When we come back, we will continue the matter.
To enjoy more of these our Ogbonge videos when you just watch, press this button to subscribe on top of our YouTube page. You go love her.